Welcome to our video on effective study methods. In today's fast-paced world, mastering the art of studying is more important than ever. Whether you're a student preparing for exams, a professional looking to learn new skills, or someone simply seeking to expand your knowledge, the right study techniques can make all the difference. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of study methods tailored to fit your personal learning style, helping you to study smarter, not harder. So, let's dive in. 1. Active learning. Summarize in your own words, teach others, ask deep questions, and relate new info to existing knowledge. 2. Pomodoro technique. Study in 25-minute intervals with short breaks, staying focused during each session. 3. Active recall. Use flashcards and self-quizzes, and regularly practice problem solving. 4. Spaced repetition. Review material over increasing intervals, utilizing tools like Anki or Quizlet. 5. SQ3R method. Skim, ask questions, read thoroughly, recite key points, and review periodically. 6. Mind mapping. Visually organize concepts to see connections and the broader picture. 7. Feynman technique. Simplify complex ideas and teach them in basic terms. 8. Prioritization. Use the Eisenhower matrix to focus on what's important for your studies. 9. Study environment. Create a distraction-free zone with tools like noise-canceling headphones. 10. Cornell note-taking. Divide notes into sections for questions, details, and summaries. 11. Break sessions into topics. Focus on one topic per session for better retention. 12. Use different resources. Diversify learning materials like videos, podcasts, and articles. 13. Mnemonics. Employ memory aids like acronyms or rhymes. 14. Study groups. Collaborate with peers to clarify concepts and test knowledge. 15. Practice past papers. Get familiar with the exam format and practice under timed conditions. 16. Set SMART goals. Make study goals specific, measurable, and time-bound. 17. Chunking. Break large info into manageable pieces for easier memorization. 18. Leitner system. Use spaced flashcard reviews based on retention difficulty. 19. Set time limits. Use time constraints to enhance focus during study sessions. 20. Visualization. Create mental images to grasp and remember abstract ideas. 21. Teach back method. Reinforce understanding by teaching the material to someone else. 22. Study materials. Cater to your learning style, visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. 23. Take breaks. Incorporate short breaks like the 52-17 method to boost productivity. 24. Stay organized. Use tools like planners or apps to track study sessions and deadlines. 25. Consistency. Stick to a routine for long-term mastery. Applying these strategies consistently will significantly improve your study effectiveness and academic performance. Thanks for watching. I hope these study tips help you stay focused and reach your goals. If you found this video useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Let me know in the comments if you have any tips of your own or if there's a topic you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your studies, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay motivated.